In this video, we are going to solve question number first of exercise number 7.2. Find fifth term of a plus 2x cube raised to the power 17. We know that r plus 1 th term in expansion of x plus y raised to the power n is t r plus 1 is equal to NCR x raised to the power n minus r and y raised to the power r. Here x is equal to a, y is equal to 2x cube and n is equal to 17. Now r plus 1 is 5. So value of r is equal to 4, hence fifth term is equal to t5 and it can be written as t4 plus 1. So t5 is equal to 17c4 a raised to the power 17 minus 4 2x cube raised to the power 4. 17c4 can be written as 17 factorial divided by 17 minus 4 13 factorial and 4 factorial. A raised to the power 13 multiply by 2 raised to the power 4 multiply by x raised to the power 12. 17 factorial divided by 13 factorial multiply by 4 factorial can be written as 2380. To solve this, we will get a raised to the power 13 multiply by 16 multiply by x raised to the power 12. To solve this, we will get 38080 a raised to the power 13 x raised to the power 12, or it can be written as 17c4 a raised to the power 13 multiply by 16 x raised to the power 12.